The truth is, many businesses are suffering these days. Organic reach is just not enough. Traffic is dropping across businesses, sales is dropping, and sales is becoming unpredictable than ever these days. Relying solely on Instagram posts or just words of mouth to try and get customers for your business, especially in 2025, is not feasible. And the truth is this: if your business can't bring in customers consistently, your growth in business will definitely stop. But here is the good news: Facebook ads can fix all of that. With the right setup, you can put your product or services in front of thousands of people who are actually interested in the services you're rendering to them, and you can scale faster, reach the right audience, and finally get predictable results. Before you run any Facebook ads in 2025, you must set up your ad account correctly, or your ads won't spend money, your pixel won't track appropriately, and your ad account can even get disabled, right? So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your Facebook ads account properly from scratch, step-by-step guide that you must follow to create your Facebook ads account properly from scratch, and you won't have problems with restrictions and all of that. You're welcome. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome here. On this channel, I teach you how to run Facebook ads in the most profitable way, right? So do well to hit the subscription button and like this video. Share it as well to other persons that might be interested in learning or getting their business scaled up through Facebook ads, meta ads in general. And let's dive straight into the business of the day. So the first thing you need when you want to start advertising with Facebook, or when you need to create your meta ad accounts, is definitely a Facebook profile. So you need a Facebook account. Of course, it's simple to open one. You don't have to do anything serious to be able to own a Facebook account. All you need to do is to go straight on to facebook.com. You can hit it, and okay, so I'm logged in on this account currently, right? That's why you can see that it just takes me straight to the Facebook. But in your case, if you don't have an account, it's just going to show you the registration page or the login page, of which you can just navigate from there and create a Facebook account appropriately. And if you already own one, like what you're seeing here, this is one. This is what it's definitely going to look like. Log into your Facebook account, and you can proceed from here to creating your business manager. So once you're here, you can go into a new tab and log into business.facebook.com. So from business.facebook.com, you can create a business manager from there, right? You can create a business manager, and at the same time, under business manager, you can manage a whole lot of things under the business manager. That is, you can manage your ad accounts under business manager. You can manage people that can have access into that particular business, right? And you can manage your pages and just many things you can manage under your business manager. So here we can go on to create a new business manager. Just for sake of this video, let's test what we're doing. So what you need to put in here, which is the first row, is your business name, right? So you can put in your business name, whatever your business is, just the business name. So let's say I put in, let me just say Mr. Machi. So this is actually my username. So once you have Mr. Machi, then the next one is your email. So make sure this email is the right one, because you're going to verify this along the line. You're going to verify this particular email from Facebook. They're going to send a code on it where you can verify. And once you're logged in, this name is going to be automatically pre-filled by Facebook, right? Because your Facebook account is already logged in here, right? So you can from here submit and see the next step. So let's wait while it's load. Good, you can see this. Mr. Omachi has been created. So this is my business manager, right? That's going to be the name, because that's the name I've set for it. But like I told you, you can use your business name, just whatever your business name is, you can use it there instead of your username. But however, anyone works. So an email has been sent already, and all I need to do is to go right now, copy that email, and come for verification. So let's do that right now. Let's do that. So here is that email, right? And here is the mail that Facebook just sent. Can you see this? Your account has been created. Now it will be easier than ever to share and connect your friends and families. So sorry, I think that email is the first one for creating the account profile. So I'm looking for the one sent for business verification. That is what we need right now for business verification. So for some reason the email has not dropped. I'm gonna check again. Facebook, you can see this, confirm your business, right? Confirm your business. Usually what I like doing is to copy the link just so that I can confirm it on the same browser that I'm using to create this stuff, right? So I can put in this link here and hit enter, right? So automatically by clicking on that link, this business account has been verified, right? It has been verified. You can click on business info to get more information about this account. You can scroll down. Can you see this email address is this, business notification, Facebook checked. So there used to be verification, but for you to see this and it's not telling you to request a verification code, it means it has been verified already. I think before you usually see something like verified also, right? So this shows that this business account has been verified already. And after the verification, here we are on the business manager. So here, this info is where you can get information about your business manager, which you just recently created. For example, now it's telling you ad account creation limit right now is 1. That is, I can only create one ad account on this current Facebook because I'm just opening it. It's a new Facebook. I think there are other Facebook I have multiple of them. You can see these are Facebook accounts, but there are multiple of them that I have that I will be able to create more ad account because I've been using it over times, and Facebook has granted me access to be able to create other business managers and ad accounts and all of that. But for now, since you are just starting, if it's your first time, you can only create one ad account. That's what this is telling you. And it's also good for you to set 2FA on this your account just to prevent hackers from taking over your Facebook account. It's just an added layer of security for your ad account. But the most important thing that I want to show you on this page is that this account is being verified, right? Then here in this same business manager, you can see other things you can do here. Let me just quickly run through it. Under this user, you can see people, right? You can actually add people that you want to grant access into this business manager to affect some things, right? People, let's say you have an agency that wants to run your ads for you or manage your business for you, you can grant them access via this page. You can see under accounts, you can see pages here. This is where you can add pages that can run ads on this particular account, right? So if you click on add, for instance, it will tell you to either add an existing page which you had before now, or you can create a new page. So for now, they're not allowing your request because the account is just too new. You can request page for now, but that is all you can do. You can add existing page here, you can create a new page here. So there are more other things under ad account. This is where you will now create an ad account which you can then use to run your ads. Then from there are other things, a lot of things here that you have to go through. Data source is where your pixel informations are captured. Then brand awareness is where you can register your website on this particular business manager. While data set, you can see data set and pixel. This is where you can set up your pixel and all of that, a lot of other things, but the most important ones is what I'm pointing out right now. So the next thing we will now do is to create an ads account. So for you to create another account, when you're here already, this is the business manager. So if you have more than one, you can click here to switch. So you can see this particular one here is a personal profile. We usually don't run ads with this one, but you can actually. It has a default ad account on it which you can use to run ads, but preferably or professionally, you would have to create another account under this particular business manager. This is what you will then use to create ad account from and then run your campaign. Do you understand? Run your campaigns from there. So let's create the ad account. Here we are now on the business manager, and here's the ad account. So you can then create, you can just click on add. So when you click on add, there are other things here that you can actually do as well. You can decide to create a brand new ad account. You can decide to add an existing ad account, but in your case, I believe you're just starting and you just coming in new, so it's definitely going to be create another account. So once you click on create another account, you have to select these things correctly. So the ad account name can be your store name. It can be your store name. So you can just, if my store name is actually Oxj ads 1, because I'm definitely going to have more ad accounts to manage different businesses. This has to be correct, because you are going to add a payment system that needs to align with the information you're setting now. Is that okay? So very importantly, in order to, I will say all of that, in order for you not to be restricted, your payment system has to align with the information that you're setting, right? So here I'm going to just select Naira because I want this account to spend Naira. Then I can click on next. This ad account will be used for my business or another business, or if you want to assign it to another client, you can then select that, but my business is selected by default. Then you can see, so once added, you want to remove it, this ad account will now be added under this business manager. So here is a business manager, here is an ads account that you can now run ads with. It's this ads account that you can use to run ads, but the business manager is where you can manage your ad account, you can manage your pixels, you can manage your domain, you can manage a whole lot of things, right, under the business manager. So of which ad account is part of them. So under ads account, you can now manage your campaigns, you can manage your ad set, and you can manage your ads under this ad account, right? So you can click on create, and your ad account will be created successfully. As you can see from the background, it's already created. So after it's been created, you will now be asked to add a payment method, right? Add a payment method. So like I told you, you can click on add payment method, and I will not be adding that right now because my card is not here. Make sure your time zone is correct, make sure your country and everything is correct depending on the payment method you want to add. Then you can click on next, and you get to add it successfully from there. So here is the ad account we created just now. You can see that this is the ad account we created just now. So you can link other accounts to it, but that is not necessary for this particular video. So guys, that's a video on how to create your ad accounts here. That's a video on how to create your ad account, and the next video that will be coming up on this channel is how to set up your ad manager and publish an ad successfully, and in turn get many sales and results from that. So here you can just accept it, done, and you're good. So this is where you can actually run ads real time, right? So see you guys other time, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, so please do well to hit the subscription button, like this video, share it to other persons that might be interested in Facebook ads and learning how to run a profitable run meta ads in a profitable way. And see you in my next video. Thank you.